is very, very early because Mumbai is a very busy city. There's over 21 million people that live here, 30 million realistically. Now the reason we are up so early in the morning is because we are doing a Mumbai morning market tour where we're going to various markets that are up bright and early that feed the city. So first off, we went to the fish market where we learned about the different collie ladies who are the fish ladies that buy the fish off the boats and then they take them to sell at the markets where then you can go and buy fresh fish for your household, or they'll then deliver them to your house. Like you can have your own personal collie lady come to you and bring you fish in the morning or every day. If you want fish every day, you can get fish every day. But unfortunately, we weren't actually allowed to film because of the 2008 terrorist attack that happened on the markets. They don't allow filming there anymore. But you know, you just have to come to Mumbai to see it for yourself. So now we are at our second stop and this is the newspaper market. So there are 22 written languages in Mumbai, so he's currently sorting out the newspapers into those various languages to go get delivered to various people. Morning, it is a fruit and vegetable market and the sun has come out. Well, light has come out. Oh my goodness, all this fruit looks really good and I haven't had breakfast yet. Vlogging occupational hazards. Market of the morning. The craziest thing is that all of this is going to be gone by 8:30, so in like half an hour, 40 minutes, it's all going to be gone. I think this one is my favorite smelling market. What do you think, Claire? So nice. We went from fish to fruit to flowers, so a ticker for every time I just randomly pop up into your vlogs without any sort of introduction. A walking tour of Mumbai, a city tour with Viju, who is a local female guide here and one of the ladies I'm interviewing for the travel project. This is our first stop. It is a dhoby Ghat, which is an outdoor laundry. So people put their laundry in to get washed here, and it takes about 5 days for the laundry to be done, and then they get clean clothes drying in the sun. It's really, really cool. That right there is the most expensive house in the world. It's an entire building that 3 people live in. Our next stop are the Hanging Gardens, where the city gets its water supply from and is full of gardens.
They have enough money and traders have money, so they say, okay, we'll build textile industries in Bombay, and that's how Bombay becomes a textile city as well. Textile workers are fighting for their rights in the courts, while the unions have moved on to different issues. And the managements have either converted factories in mills into malls or mills into high-rises.
Wow.
So a lot of people are doing a study, paperwork and on the journey of Bombay from mills to malls.
Yeah.
Mumbai reminds me so much of Miami, which makes a lot of sense because it has the second highest number of Art Deco buildings, second only to Miami. It's got beaches, it's got Art Decos, it's got palm trees. Welcome to Miami, but really we're in Mumbai. Alright guys, I hope you've enjoyed exploring Mumbai today. It was a crazy busy day, but I feel like that's Mumbai, which I found out that about 90% of the people still call Mumbai Bombay, which I find so interesting because Bombay was the original name the British gave Mumbai, and it was changed in the 1970s when the British left. I actually didn't get to film a whole lot because I was busy filming for Contiki's The Travel Project, which is the reason why I'm here in India. So The Travel Project is a mini documentary that focuses on a group of women from around India who are challenging the stereotypes of what it means to be a woman in India. I've interviewed some amazing women from across this country and I can't wait for you guys to watch the video. I'm really, really happy and proud of it. So please click the link right here in the description to go give it a watch. So thanks again for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you guys again in a few days time with another video. Okay, good night. Good night, Mumbai.